Homeowners insurance, home warranty, what are they, how are they different, and what do I need to buy? Hi, Samantha Pearlman here with the Pearlman Property Group, and I get asked this question a lot by my buyers when they're in the process of purchasing a home. So I thought I'd make a really quick video to answer the question for you. So homeowners insurance and a home warranty is very similar in the sense that they both cover you for unexpected circumstances. However, what they cover is very different. So homeowners insurance is going to cover you for accidental damage due to storms, fires, theft, and some natural disasters. It's going to cover the interior of the home, the exterior of the home, any personal property you have in the home, and your homeowner's insurance is also going to give you some general liability insurance in the event that somebody gets injured while on the property. Just like health insurance, homeowner's insurance also requires a deductible. So let me give you a quick example of when you would use your homeowner's insurance. So let's say you have a 2-story home with a bathroom upstairs and the shower starts to leak. That's when you would work with your homeowner's insurance. Let's say it leaked through the ceiling, downstairs to the floor, the first floor. So that's when you're going to call your insurance company. They're going to send out an adjuster and they're going to determine how much it's going to cost to repair all the damage and the actual issue with the shower. Let's say it's $2,000. Now let's use an example of a $1,000 deductible. You're going to cover the first $1,000 for repairs, and your homeowner's insurance is going to give you that extra $1,000 to repair not only the bathroom but the ceiling and the floor on the first floor. Now, a home warranty is a little bit different. If you can think about when you purchase something like a new appliance, like a refrigerator, it has typically a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. A home warranty is very similar to that, but instead of covering one appliance, it's going to cover all of them. It's going to cover all your major system components and your appliances. So your HVAC, components of your HVAC, electrical and plumbing. It's also going to cover all your kitchen appliances, your washer dryer. And then there's also optional coverage for things like pools and spas and sewer drains and some other things, that you can get kind of extensive with it. So it's going to be a service contract. They're typically 12-month contracts, and they're going to cover in the event of normal wear and tear and old age of these components and appliances. So when you would use a home warranty, you might use it if you're purchasing a home where let's say the kitchen appliances are 30 years old, but they're still working, so the seller doesn't have to give you new ones, but you're worried that they may not last much longer. You're going to purchase a home warranty. That way, in the event while you have the contract that, let's say, the dishwasher stops working, you can call up the home warranty and they're going to come out and they're going to determine if it needs to be replaced or repaired. Now, unlike the homeowner's insurance, there's no deductible, but there is typically a service fee. Typically, it's a one-time service fee per issue with a home warranty. So you might be asking, what do I need to buy and when do I need to buy this stuff? So you're going to need to purchase homeowner's insurance when you're purchasing a home. Anytime you're getting financing, any bank or lender is going to require that you have homeowner's insurance on the property starting with the day you close. So that's going to be required coverage. A home warranty is always going to be optional coverage. No banks or lenders ever require it, but what you need to determine is your own budgets, your own family needs, and what risk are you willing to take on with purchasing the home and going forward. And then that will determine whether or not a home warranty is right for you. If you have any questions about this or anything else real estate related, if you enjoy watching these videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you're thinking about making a move, buying and selling or investing in real estate, I've included a link to my website below where you can contact me directly. Happy house hunting.